Today I'm going to talk about one of my favorite artists' YouTube channel. As you can see on the background, it is Ku's dream, Ku的梦. Ku is from France and study college in Korea. Later on, he goes to Taiwan. So right now he's in Taiwan. And if you don't know any Chinese, that's fine. His video will always have Chinese and English subtitles for you to watch. The reason I like his video so much is because when you watch his video, you'll be able to see Taiwan's culture and Taiwan's food. I like the most about his series is every time he meet a friend who's not from Taiwan, never been to Taiwan before, he will plan a trip for them, brings them to different places in Taiwan, let them experience a life in Taiwan. Sometimes he brings them to a hotel with a hot spring, or he will let people experience about the midnight life in Taiwan. Some stores, restaurants opens at midnight from midnight to 5 in the morning. Or it goes to the bars or night market, which is closed at midnight. Because of his video, helps me to get to know Taiwan better. And it's so fun to watch people who are foreigners to taste weird food in Taiwan. We don't want to waste food, so we cook a lot of different organ in each animal. We have duck egg, we have pig ear, pig kidney, pig stomach, pig heart. We cook everything because we don't want to waste any food. When someone tastes weird food, their reaction is always so fun to watch. I grew up with eating those food. For me, it's normal. For them, weird. Never done it before. Recently, Ku made a cool video. He met his friend who teaches English 12 years in Taiwan, but he doesn't know how to speak well in Chinese. So he showed him around in Taiwan, brought him to eat a lot of weird food that he would never taste in his life. Some of them he liked it very much. Some of them he just think, oh, this is weird for me. I'm not used to this. But when you watch this video, you'll be able to know cultures in Taiwan better and food in Taiwan better. Also, you will know a little bit about the table manner in Taiwan as well. So, if you have a chance, go click Ku's Dream, and if you like his video, subscribe his channel. It's always fun and fascinating to watch his video. You don't have to learn Chinese to watch his video. If you speak English well, you can just watch his subtitles. And he's a very fun person to watch. He loves talking, but he also uses his unique way to film his videos. He loves Taiwan so much. I'm so proud of my country. I'm so touched that there's one people as a foreigner loves Taiwan very much and willing to help people all over the places to get to know Taiwan better. Watching his video, you will learn many things in Taiwan, and you may be surprised because it's very different than all the places in the world. And thanks for watching.